In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code using your app to make the most out of your savings. Whether you're looking to snag a great deal on your next purchase or simply trying to maximize your promotional offers, these simple steps will help you seamlessly apply a promo code to your account. First, let's begin by opening your app. If it's not already up on your screen, go ahead and locate the app's icon among your applications and tap on it. Once the app opens up, you'll be greeted by the main screen. It's usually filled with a variety of options and features designed to help you navigate easily. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used the app recently. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the main screen. This area typically houses the navigation bar, containing several key icons that lead to different sections of the app. You're looking for the profile icon. It's often characterized by a small silhouette or a picture of a person. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon to access the profile menu. Upon opening the profile section, you'll have access to a variety of personal options and settings. Among these choices, find and tap on the Promotions option. Promotions are wonderful features that allow you to redeem discounts and offers, enhancing your shopping or service experience. This section is where all relevant promotional activities are managed. Now that you've entered the promotion section, look for the Enter Promo Code option. This is your gateway to applying your desired promo code. Once located, tap on it. It will direct you to a screen or a small pop-up window where you can manually enter your promo code. Keep your promo code handy so you're ready for this step. Now it's time for the moment you've been waiting for, entering your promo code. Carefully type in the code you have, ensuring that you're following the exact letter or number sequence, as promo codes are often case sensitive. Double-check your entry to avoid any errors that might lead to unnecessary frustration. Once you're confident that it's entered correctly, go ahead and tap the Apply button. Clicking this will submit the code and apply the promotion to your account or your current transaction. If done successfully, you should notice a confirmation message or a reflected discount showing that the promo code has been accepted. If you encounter any issues, make sure to verify the terms and conditions of the promo, such as expiry dates or usage limits. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a promo code to your account with just a few taps. These promo codes can significantly enhance your savings and make your shopping experience even more enjoyable. Don't forget to keep an eye out for new promotional codes that you can use in the future. Keep your app updated and check back regularly for exciting new offers and deals. Thank you for watching and happy saving.